Hello everyone, welcome back to Trial of Spices. This is Priya. My little nephew and cousins came over for the weekend, so I baked some cookies for them. I got this recipe from my friend Emma from emmTASTY. She's a YouTuber. I'll post her link in the description, so follow her channel for some yummy desserts. So let's get started with our cookies. To bake cookies, we need 1 egg, 70 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of orange essence, 60 grams of melted butter, 100 grams of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. First we need to add egg, and then we need to add our sugar, and then we have to mix it well until the sugar is dissolved completely. Now I'm adding in my orange essence. You can use any flavor you want. You can even use cocoa powder for chocolate cookies. Now I'm adding in my butter. My butter was at room temperature, so I didn't melt it. Mix it well until the butter is dissolved. Once the butter is completely dissolved, add in baking powder and flour to the mixture. Now we have to mix the cookie dough until we get a non-sticky consistency. This cookie is so simple, it just took me 10 minutes for preparation and 10 minutes for baking. Now my cookie dough is ready. I'm going to make it into a small balls. This part is totally optional, but I love to decorate my cookies with small designs on top. If you have some sprinkles, you can add it on top. cookies are ready for baking. I'm going to bake it in 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.